Hi, this is my enhancement on 9 for week 11. Um, I know I'm not, I'm aware that I'm not finished yet, but I'm having a hard time to figure out how to debug the error that I encountered. But I can show you the uploads view. So in vehicle details, as you can see, it's responsive. And let's go to the uploads model or the image management. It should be uploaded or redirect to the image table, not in the inventory. So these are the images. And um, and um, yes, to test the thumbnails. So if I pick the vehicle view, so I add some images or vehicle, just like this one, the monster truck, the bat, and this one, and also this one, the Hammer Black. So when we go to the classification list, so when I upload, it should view here in the classification view for the vehicle view. But my problem is if I upload it with a different, like when I upload the image, it just duplicate the the info about the vehicle. So to test the thumbnail, this is the part that I'm encountered some errors or error message. So here we go. So here's my code. For the vehicle controller, and I add some function here to build the image display or build the thumb display in the vehicle details. So here's my get thumb function get images to get the thumbnails inside of the image table. So, but I'm encountering this error. I think that would be all. I'm still working on it, but I decided to pass it now. So thank you.